Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Regions Rewards card easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Regions Rewards card, first, locate the card you received in the mail. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official Regions Bank website URL and press enter. Once on the home page, navigate to the Sign In option located at the top right corner. Click on Sign In to access the banking portal. If you have an account, enter your online banking credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, find the Rewards section in the menu. Click on Activate your card within the Rewards section. You will be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully input your Regions Rewards card number. Next, enter any other required information, such as your personal details or account information. Double-check all the information you have entered for accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your card has been successfully activated. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, look for the customer support contact information. Reach out to Regions Bank customer support for further assistance. Once activated, you are ready to start earning rewards with your Regions Rewards card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.